Okay guys, so today I'm going to tell you project ideas for JavaScript. So the first project is simple calculator in which you would perform basic operations like plus, minus, and division and multiplication. And after that, the second one is to-do list app. So in this, you can learn manipulation and data storage and how to interact with the user and web pages. So the next one is random code generator. You would you would fetch the code from an website and then bring it to your website using API. After that, you would create a weather app and in which you would display the current weather conditions using an API. And this is how you can learn API, manipulation, and data formatting. After that, you can create a guessing game where the user tries to guess a random number and it would explain you that how to use conditional statements and user inputs. After that, you can create the next project as basic animation in which you can bring a simple design to life with basic animations using JavaScript. And this will help you understand even listeners and how to create web pages. After that, the next one is color palette generator, and that would create random color palettes. And this project is video. You could read all this. And after that, the last one is password generator, and which you would create a random password, and you would ask that user that how length should be, and some other things. So these are the basic project ideas for you. So keep learning and keep practicing.